Whether it's pay or promotions, being able to go from shop to taking on big projects in the shop to a truck in less than a year, after graduating, Kirby-Smith's done really, really well. All right, I'm Avery with Kirby-Smith Machinery here in Abilene, Texas. I'm a field tech. I really enjoy doing this. This is something that I can do and it's work, and it doesn't feel like work. I love coming here. I love seeing all the new equipment, big equipment, small equipment, and it's just something that excites me all the time. That's the number one thing, seeing customers so happy. Whenever I'm leaving out of the job site and all those guys are just sitting there like, oh, heck yeah, you got it done. And seeing them be able to get back to work, because those guys, most of the time when they get out of a piece of equipment or it breaks down, they've got to sit there and man a shovel. And when you get the piece of equipment running, you see that operator come running over there and hop in and say, heck yeah, you got it done. And it makes you want to get jobs done quicker and make sure you get them done right. That way they stay fixed. I think this industry is something that everybody takes for granted. It's something that's always going to be here. I feel like especially kids my age, they don't necessarily look at this industry and say, wow, that's a job that I want to do, because it's not so glamorous. But it's something that I think is getting easier, because we can do a lot more things through computers or whatnot, and it's not necessarily just tough, hard physical labor all the time like it used to be. As long as you're willing to learn and willing to put in the work to do what you need to get jobs done, Kirby-Smith has been great to me, a whole lot better than what I expected. They exceeded everything that I thought they were going to do. They listen to me and the other guys here, and really like to hear what we have to say and what we want and what we need, and they've really just taken care of everything that I've ever expected them to. My name is Avery Theeck, and we are One Kirby-Smith.